Here she is, y'all. The E92 that we're gonna be bringing back to life. It's pretty dark in here, so I'm gonna take it up to the top. We're gonna start working on this thing because it's been sitting for a while. I'll go ahead and give you a quick walk around of the car. If you are new to the channel, this is my 335i, and we're gonna be bringing this thing back to life. All right, y'all, I had to fix the camera settings real quick, but here's my E92 335i. Show y'all everything that's wrong with it before we get it fixed. This happened in the parking lot. Came outside of Walmart and it was done. I don't know how this happened. That's been there for like a minute. I have no clue what happened with that. These were initially painted and now it's coming off. What else do we have to do today we're doing a bumper, obviously the worst part. So if you do have an E92, you know these come off all the time, and I already started taking the headlights off, which is why it's kind of like this already. So we're gonna go ahead and finish that today. I do have the M-Tech style bumper, and I do have the M-Tech style bumper in the front and the rear. This was initially color matched to the car, so I'm gonna get new grills. Probably gonna do the carbon fiber things. You know, replace the clips on here too. Pretty much a lot of work, a lot of minor things, and then once we get all that done, we're gonna wrap the car. We're gonna get the car nice and wrapped. I don't know what that is, but hopefully it polishes out. And it was one more thing I seen on here, right? I don't know if someone threw some on my car. Can y'all see that on camera? It's like, I don't know, but it's like stained in there pretty well. So I have no clue. The wheels are in pretty good shape. Ever since I brought the wheels, I probably only put like a couple thousand miles on it. The wheels are just dirty, obviously. We're gonna get the calipers painted and stuff like that, and the interior is in great shape. Just needs a nice cleaning, like I said. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Today I'm pretty much just taking this headlight out. I'm taking this headlight out right here to go ahead and replace the lens. The light is in good shape. I'm just gonna replace the lens. I'm thinking about redoing the whole housing. I'm not sure yet, but once we get that out, we should be nice and we should be good, honestly, once we get that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this headlight out, start working on it. If you don't know how to remove the bumper, it's fairly easy. It's about 8 bolts at the bottom, and then you got these T-screws at the top, right? And you got 2 screws behind the wheel well. That's it. If you don't know how to do it, just look up a YouTube video. It's pretty quick. If you're looking for me for a tutorial, I mostly be doing a tutorial on the headlights, but the bumper is fairly easy. Just do what I told you, those tops and those bottoms, and then 2 in the wheel wells. This wing initially it's black. If you can tell, I did a bad wrap job. Like this was, dude, I did this a minute ago. This wrap job is so bad. Look underneath. Look underneath. That wrap job is horrible. But that's why we have a new carbon fiber wing. I'm not putting this on today. I'm actually gonna wait till we get the car wrapped. And I also have a carbon front lip that I'm waiting. Let's start by getting this off. And actually these are already loose, so I'm telling you, I did this job a month ago, left the car sitting, pretty much not driving it until we get everything right. Man, I don't know about y'all, but it's hot as outside. It has been like 100 degrees where I'm at, and I'm not messing with the heat too much. As much as I like the summertime and hate the winter, I don't know, y'all. It's hot. It's hotter than usual, if you ask me. What y'all think? It's fucking burning. Alright, y'all, that goes the front bumper next to the car. Now we just got to get this headlight housing out. a pretty sick bumper. I can't wait to wrap this thing. I'm gonna wrap the whole car myself too. So comment down below if you guys have a wrap car and you do it yourself. Comment down some tips, because I'm about to start wrapping my own cars. I don't know what I'm gonna do this car yet. Got an idea, but I'll show y'all later. All right guys, I got the headlight out. I didn't record much, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do. So every YouTube video tells you to remove the 2 bolts at the top, which you will see here, and you will see one on the side of your car, which is right back there, and 2 right here, which is these 2, right? Then you should be able to slide it off once you disconnect this, and you know, you could disconnect the little washer, right? 30 minutes of me trying to figure out what the issue was, that it wasn't coming out. 30 minutes. Back of your headlight right here, this right here, there's no screws, so you'll be confused. I'm looking under it, I'm trying to see what it's connected to. This connects to, right, this freaking thing right here. This freaking thing right here. So you have to drop the light really hard and pull on it for this to unclip from here, and then you get the headlight pulled out. That was a hassle that it didn't have to be. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the other headlight removed, because I'm gonna do both headlights, because I don't want that headlight to look brand new when I replace it. Let me get it off of its face. Hold on. No, I'm replacing it, but damn, I don't want this headlight to look new and this one to look old. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one out too. Yes, it is an M54, full bolt on. Intakes are dirty as shit. I need to get some new ones. So yeah, I think you can see the turbos from the side too, if I'm not mistaken. They're right over there. Y'all see them? The little snails. It's dark as shit, so I don't know if y'all can see it. All right, y'all, we're back. I got both lights out now. I showed y'all that one, and here's the other one. This one was super easy. It was straightforward, like the YouTube videos say. Guys, boom, boom, the one on the side, the 2 on the front, then disconnect, you know, this bad boy and this bad boy just pop right out. 5 minutes, done. So now we got the front end looking like a freaking race car. I'm gonna go ahead and get the headlights. I gotta heat these up. I'm not putting these in my oven. I know everybody say put these in your oven, it'd be a lot quicker. I have a heat gun. I'm just gonna take my time, because once again, I'm not putting this in my oven. I use my oven for food that I eat. Now I'm not doing that. So I'm about to put this in the trunk. Put both of these in the trunk. Mind how messy my trunk is either, you know? It's life. We're getting this bad boy back to life. Right now, it's being used as storage, and we can't do that to the infamous N54. This car is becoming legendary, you know? It really is. The older it gets, I feel like the older this car gets, the more unique it gets, right? And that doesn't mean to say that it gets more expensive or anything like that. In the future, oh shit, fucking bumper just tried to kill me. Hello? In the future, I do feel like it will be, you know, a pretty pricey car. That's just me. You have to find one, obviously, that's in good shape. But I feel like it's gonna be a pricey car, and I'm gonna give you one reason why. It's so hard to find a clean E92 now. A lot of them are super clapped out, and I know I'm not to speak, but this car is in really good shape. I take care of it. Engine's good, interior spectacular. These are minor things I have to fix over the years, and I'm gonna go ahead and get them fixed. They're minor stuff. This car has M-Tex bumpers, rear bumpers, new wheels damn near. I'm probably gonna get some, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm probably gonna get some TEs for this. I'm not sure. Once I fix all the little scuffs and whatnot, I'm gonna paint correct it and then wrap it. So we're just getting this thing back on the road, back to a classic right before we buy that new car. If you haven't watched the last video, go ahead and watch it. Right before we buy that, wait on the order for that car, and in the time being, we work on this bad boy, because I don't think this car is going anywhere, guys. I had this car for a while. It's set for, this car is set for 5 years. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bumper, hold on. I just threw the screws back in here. And I need those. I don't want to leave it like this, so I'm just gonna set the bumper back on there. Bumper's gonna sit like that. I'm actually gonna tighten it up a little bit. Hold on. Alright, y'all, got the headlight and the bumper back on securely. This looks kind of sick, not gonna lie. I wish I could drive around like this, but where I'm at, I can put over in a second. But it's hot as shit out here. I just looked and it's 96 degrees. So I'm about to head inside and get that done. Nah, that looks sick. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That looks pretty crazy. So yeah, let's go ahead and get inside. Bro, look at this. Does that not look mean? Is it just me? I'm gonna go ahead, head inside, get these headlights fixed. Alright, y'all, I made it to my balcony and it started raining a little bit, but that's okay. I got started here a little, as y'all can see. I got a little bit separated. Just getting the silicone off and heating all the edges and everything up, and then prying it out with this little pry tool I got. So I'm just gonna heat this up. I'm gonna put this in fast mode so I can go ahead and make a little montage for y'all getting these things open, because it looks like it's gonna take a little minute. Alright, so I officially got it off. I think I have to put these housing pieces in here. I'm gonna get all this silicone off and stuff off of the camera and clean it up real good, and I'll get the lenses put on once I decide what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure if I'm going to do custom headlights, but I know for a fact I'm gonna paint this black. So y'all stick around for the next video. I'll be putting this piece in there and taking this apart to paint. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Very simple job, and I also think while I got this open, I'm gonna go ahead and I think you could delete this. I'm gonna delete this amber light and put a different light bulb in there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Yeah, man. So I hope that helped y'all out a lot with getting these things off. It's fairly easy. I know they say put it in your oven, but the heat gonna work good. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for the next video. I will be posting the finish of these soon. I don't know if it'll be the next video, but I'll be working on these soon to get this painted. See y'all in the next one.